Hey everybody, Chris with Goodland Travel Agency here. I am at the brand new Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. This resort is recently refurbished by Playa Resorts, and it is located just north of Playa del Carmen on 1.5 acres of white sand beach. Let's take a look. Moving into the main lobby, this is a huge lobby. It's open air, so you can feel the breeze coming through. There's some seating around here, as well as the social bar, concierge desks where you will check into your room. This is Coffee Republic. This is the coffee shop here at the Hyatt. It's open from morning until night, so you can come get your espresso coffee any time of the day. We also have some ice cream in here as well. Everything's fresh, made to order. Really enjoyed our espresso earlier today. I'm here with Misa at the Mixology class here at the Hyatt. He's going to be showing me some of the handcrafted cocktails that he's created here at the resort. Now, he has crafted all of the cocktails here at all of the restaurants and the bars, so we're really excited to check it out. Down the main staircase, down here on the ground floor, you'll find Legends, which is the sports bar, and then also up to this side you have the Capri Grill, which is sort of their steakhouse mixed with Italian style cuisine. If you guys know Playa Resorts at all, you know that they do destination weddings really well. Here right behind me is the wedding office. So if you need to come and meet with your coordinator, this is the spot where you're going to do that. Moving right outside of the main lobby, I'm here at the main pool. So they have a lot of seating around here, which is really nice. And then they have one very large pool here. So one side is kind of separated for more activities and music, surrounded by the swim up bar. And then the other side is more like a quiet type of pool, which is really nice. In case you kind of want to break from the party atmosphere, you can move over to the other side. right behind me is Lola's Terrace. That's the private terrace that you can rent out. It's perfect for your destination wedding reception, cocktail hour, any special event that you want to have. This is their premier spot. It's got amazing views of the Caribbean Sea right off the balcony. Right behind me are the Oceanfront swim-ups. I mean, these are some of the premier rooms at this resort. You are only sharing your pool, it looks like, with like 2 or 3 rooms, which is cool. And I mean, just look at that view. Got the Caribbean Sea right outside your room. An awesome, awesome room category. Thanks so much for viewing the content here at Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. Again, it's an adult-only property. In Riviera Maya, it is a smaller boutique style property, which I really enjoyed for this trip. Kind of makes everything more centrally located. And then some of the other positives were the food quality, very good. And then you guys know I love craft cocktails. So they did an excellent job here with Misa, their mixologist. Really, really enjoyed the cocktails that he's crafted for this resort. And then the service. Playa's mantra is service from the heart, and you can really feel that from the staff around here. Everyone has been super friendly and accommodating. I can't say enough about the staff here. I will definitely be back, and contact us with any questions you might have. We'd love to handle your booking here at the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.